Race-driven Powersports in Escanaba is your go-to spot for all the accessories and installation your side-by-side or ATV needs. Just like on this Polaris Xpedition, we've got the essentials covered. A Corbin blinker kit with hazards and horn to keep you safe. Polaris side mirrors to keep what's behind you in view. And Polaris sun visors to block the glare when it matters most. Stop in today or give us a call. Let's get your machine ready to keep the adventure rolling.